With just under 2 weeks left for Haryana to cast vote for assembly elections, Congress is battling on multiple fronts. Ironically, it's not just its political opponent, the BJP, but its own leaders that are adding to grand old party's woes. And the biggest headache has been senior leader Kumari Sailaja, who is striking a dissenting note. With Haryana going to polls on the 5th of October, the ruling party BJP has been targeting the Congress over Dalit leaders staying away from the poll campaign. Union Minister M.L. Khattar, in fact, even went on to extend an offer to her to switch sides and join BJP ranks. Today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, while addressing a poll rally in Tohna in Haryana, called Congress anti-Dalit for the treatment meted out to Sailaja and simultaneously also put Rahul Gandhi in the dock.
हमेशा से दलित नेताओं का अपमान करने का काम कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया, चाहे डॉक्टर अशोक तंवर हो, चाहे बहन कुमारी सैलजा हो, सबका अपमान कांग्रेस ने किया है। और आंबेडकर जी, जब तक कांग्रेस की सरकार नहीं गई, बाबा आंबेडकर को भारत रत्न नहीं मिला।
देखिए, सैलजा को अपमानित किया है। कांग्रेस दलित विरोधी पार्टी है। कांग्रेस ने आज तक दलितों का सम्मान नहीं किया, दलितों को कुचलने का काम किया है। अब सैलजा की बारी है, समझाना चाहिए सैलजा को भी जल्दी।
Remember, Sailaja has learned to be upset after the party gave a free hand to her Betanoa and former Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda in ticket distribution, with most candidates who got the tickets being loyalists of two-time ex-CM. Sources are now telling Times Now that Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge himself had to intervene to quell the dissent. Sources say that Kharge met Sailaja Sunday evening, and right after the meeting, Randeep Surjewala went out to post that she will be campaigning in Narwana constituency on the 26th of September. Times Now spoke to Kumari Sailaja on her absence from campaign trail, and on record, here is what she had to say.
No dissent within Haryana Congress, because we have seen that how you were also seeking a ticket for yourself, that has not been given. So is it all okay within the Haryana Congress also?
See, these are separate issues. These are internal issues of the party, and they are discussed at a different level. But all of us are party soldiers. Yeah, you know, in the beginning there are candidates who have to work on the ground, and because we don't really have an organization at the grassroots level for a long time. Workers are there. So to put everything right, candidates need time, and now we'll all hit the trail and we'll work for the party and for Congress to form the government.
BJP's social media in charge, Amit Malviya, also earlier put up a post highlighting how one of Congress's supporters is out to insult a Dalit face using a slur to refer to her caste. Now, while Sailaja may have agreed to go on campaign trail, she is clearly outraged by the commentary.
I think, you know, it's not just an insult to the Dalit community, it's an insult to the entire society. Anyone who holds such views, and even if people say that they may be their personal views, that's how some people have said, I don't think that has any place in today's society, and there are right-thinking people in every community. So to say this about one certain community, I think it's also insulting the entire gamut of communities.
Niyamika, the biggest handle that Kumari Sailaja has given to the BJP is by not participating in election campaigning, even though there are just 12 days left for polling now. Does her answer to your question sound convincing when you asked her why has she been missing from campaign trail?
Well, on record, what Ms. Kumari Sailaja is saying is clearly giving a hint that her stand has now been changed after this important meeting had taken place yesterday evening, where she had expressed all her dissent before the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, as it is being told to us by our sources that the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has called upon this meeting with Kumari Sailaja to take a feedback ahead of the public rally which he was supposed to do today itself in the Ambala city, and in that particular meeting evening, Kumari Shelja had shared her opinion as well, because it was a matter of concern for the Congress party as well, that why she was not being seen anywhere doing any kind of campaigning for the candidates for the upcoming assembly elections, as we have seen that how Kumari Shelja was quite active on the ground even before the assembly elections date were announced, as at that point of time also she was taking out a yatra all across the state. But soon after these candidates list were being released by the Congress party, a dissent was being seen on her part, because the manner in which ticket distribution process was being followed, it has shown that how majority of the tickets were being given to those candidates who belongs to Bhupinder Singh Hooda's camp, and that was the reason why she was quite upset over this entire matter. She was also seeking a ticket for herself from the seat of Uklana. That was also being denied to her, and in fact it was the Haryana Congress in charge Deepak Babaria who had come out in open, and he had given a statement that none of the member of parliament will be allowed to contest the assembly elections, and that is what has made Kumari Shelja quite upset, because she was seeking ticket for herself, that was being denied. In fact, almost 8 to 9 candidates are the ones who belongs to Shelja's camp, and for that reason she has also mentioned it clearly before the Congress High Command that majority of the candidates belongs to Hooda camp, while her close ADs were being denied tickets to contest the assembly elections, and that is unfair on the part of the Congress High Command.
And in the middle of all this, adding more mystery to this is the sudden cancellation of Mallikarjun Kharge's attendance at the campaign rallies today. Officially, they say he's unwell, but who knows what's going on behind the scenes. Under 2 weeks left for Haryana to cast vote for assembly elections, Congress is battling on multiple fronts. Ironically, it's not just its political opponent, the BJP, but its own leaders that are adding to grand old party's woes. And the biggest headache has been senior leader Kumari Shelja, who is striking a dissenting note. With Haryana going to polls on the 5th of October, the ruling party BJP has been targeting the Congress over Dalit leaders staying away from the poll campaign. Union Minister M.L. Khattar, in fact, even went on to extend an offer to her to switch sides and join BJP ranks. Today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, while addressing a poll rally in Tohna in Haryana, called Congress anti-Dalit for the treatment meted out to Shelja, and simultaneously also put Rahul Gandhi in the dock.
हमेशा से दलित नेताओं का अपमान करने का काम कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया, चाहे डॉक्टर अशोक तंवर हो, चाहे बहन कुमारी सैलजा हो, सबका अपमान कांग्रेस ने किया है। और आंबेडकर जी, जब तक कांग्रेस की सरकार नहीं गई, बाबा आंबेडकर को भारत रत्न नहीं मिला।
देखिए, सैलजा को अपमानित किया है। कांग्रेस दलित विरोधी पार्टी है। कांग्रेस ने आज तक दलितों का सम्मान नहीं किया, दलितों को कुचलने का काम किया है। अब सैलजा की बारी है, समझ जाना चाहिए सैलजा को भी जल्दी।